It's a big day for Michael Katchen's Canadian fintech startup that's taking on the country's big banks.
If you had told me we'd be here 6 years ago when we started the company, I would have fallen over in my seat saying that's impossible. But now here we are.
Wealthsimple has secured a landmark $750 million worth of fresh funding. Investors include Drake, Ryan Reynolds, and Michael J. Fox. Now, with more than 2 million users across Canada, Wealthsimple has grown by leaps and bounds during the pandemic, attracting new investors, many of them millennials, flush with stimulus cash, time on their hands, and a new interest in trading stocks and cryptocurrency.
I've tried to use other apps before, especially for like self-directed trading. And it was too clunky for me.
At the height of the investing meme frenzy, when the so-called Reddit army drove up the price of struggling stocks, including GameStop and BlackBerry, Wealthsimple attracted scores of first-time investors. And while those headline-grabbing stories did influence some Wealthsimple users, the company says the vast majority turned to the platform for traditional financial services and not day trading.
You're seeing an influx of people that have not historically participated in the capital markets, and participation in the capital markets and investing and getting access to that for the long term is the way you build long-term financial wealth. So it's a good thing, because the earlier you start, the more you benefit from compounding.
The company has branched out to include tax filing services, cash transfers, robo-advisors, and portfolio management, areas dominated by Canada's biggest financial firms.
What Wealthsimple can do as a bigger social mission is improve access for everybody in Canadian society to financial markets through this improved user experience, through these lower fees.
I prefer using applications and companies like Wealthsimple instead, because they actually do make it in a way that is so usable and so easy.
With this fresh funding, financial analysts say Wealthsimple has only just begun to change the way Canadians bank and think about their money. Anne Gaviola, Global News, Toronto.